the window, the light pouring in. With her scissors and glue and a wide little grin. Her craft room was quiet, the world fell away, just paper and dreams for the card she'd make today. She reached for her box, the not too shabby kind, full of florals and critters and sentiments lined. The ideas were dancing like stars in her head, so she laid out a card base and gently said, "This one's for someone who needs a little cheer, a hug in an envelope, handmade and sincere. It's not just cardstock, ink, or foam tape. It's a message of hope in the prettiest shape. Every layer she gently laid was love in the card she made." This one's for someone who needs a little cheer, a hug in an envelope, handmade and sincere. It's not just cardstock, ink, or foam tape. It's a message of hope in the prettiest shape. Every layer she gently laid was love in the card she made. She fussy cut hedgehogs and autumn leaves, used her easy wonder dye, wiped ink on her sleeves. A stitched border, a bow, she took her time, no rush in her rhythm, no reason, no rhyme. Then came the stamp, her favorite one, sending you sunshine, and just like that, done. A drop of enamel, a sprinkle of gold, a secret inside that would quietly unfold. This one's for someone who's walking through rain, a break in the clouds, a soft note for pain. It's not just paper, glitter, or glue. It's a whisper that says, "I'm thinking of you." Oh, all the care she gently gave was there in the card she made. One will travel through cities and towns, past fields and rooftops, and ups and downs. It's not just a card, it's something more. It opens a smile when it's passed through the door.